Hi, Aman. I've got a job to do, which I'd like to get you on board for, and I'll just run through the steps now. It's fairly simple. It's just going through the list of all pages. I've done a couple, and to get my head around it and get used to it, and I'm up to Albany, and essentially need to move on from here. So I'll run through and I will do Albany. So the page after Albany and then down would be what I need done. So essentially I want to grab this custom tweet text here, the best free things to do with amazing photos. Grab that text, scroll all the way to the bottom and come up to Yoast and edit snippet and click just after the hyphen, backspace twice and exclamation mark, change ampersand to and, in the meta description click paste, close snippet editor and update. So that's essentially that's it. That's what I need done, and I need that done across all the pages. So you have everything that you need to be able to do it. It's really the same format for all pages. So if I can just quickly show you. So now I have Albany, the best free things to see and do, Scenic Gems. Best free things to see and do in Albany, Western Australia, with amazing photos. So that's what will come up in the Google search result if somebody searches for the best free things to do in Albany. So that's essentially it. And if you've got any questions, let me know. Great. Thanks, Simon. Cheers.